Metal polish drill kits. These kits are designed to go on your drill so that you can metal polish faster with the gear you've already got. Now if you're doing a big area, we recommend getting the American Shine kit to use on a sander grinder. But for smaller areas or to get into those difficult to reach bits, these kits are awesome. So they all go on a drill like that. There's 3 different types of kits. You've got the wheel kit, the wheel and tank kit, and the 8-piece buffing kit. Now, let's open them all up and see what's inside each kit. So the wheel kit, it's a 4-piece kit, all designed to go on your drill. And in the kit, you get a small bottle of Zephyr Pro 40 metal polish. So you get 3 different goblets that are all designed to go onto your drill. Now the drill obviously not included. This big one here is a 4-inch, so it's a really big goblet there to use with your metal polish on your drill. Then there's a smaller 3-inch one and the little 2-inch one there. So great flexibility to allow you to get into different areas. This larger one's particularly good if you're trying to get into wheels, like if you're on a truck wheel like an Alcoa and you're trying to get into those corner bits. This is really quite handy. And then the smaller ones are good for getting into like the holes that you have in the wheels, those little round holes there that they have. So this is a great kit, really handy to have. It's also good to have if you are doing full-on machine metal polishing, because there might be areas that you don't get, and it's handy to have this on hand to just quickly touch up those areas so you can have the whole thing looking mint. Now the wheel and tank kit has 6 pieces, and this is designed to get you the bits you need for around the wheels and also the tank. So let's have a look what's inside. So again, you get a small bottle of Zephyr Pro 40, that's the best metal polish there. You get a microfiber cloth, and you get these. So you get a scourer. This is like really good for that quick sanding. So if you've got, like I've used it on my car wheels where the rims were really quite pitted, I did that on a drill, bzz, and that took them off really quick to a nice even sand. So you just use that on a drill like that, drill not included. So you get that as a scourer. You get this taper here, which is really quite good to get into both small and larger gaps. You get this really firm taper one here that also goes on the drill. And you get this little wheel, which is like a mini metal polishing buffing wheel with an adapter like this so that you can mount, you unscrew that, clamp that on either side, and then you put that on your drill there and firm that up. And then that allows you to use it on that edge with the metal polish here. So yeah, if you're going to do a large area, we still recommend the American Shine kit, because on a sander grinder it's going to be much faster on a larger area. But for smaller areas or for little touch-ups, we've had people use these, for example, on small bits of chrome trim down the side. Just be careful not to get it either side onto the paint. This is a really great kit, and that is the wheel and tank kit from Zephyr there, which we have in stock at Lovecars and Kings of Chrome. And the 8-piece metal polishing kit for drills here from Zephyr has 8 pieces in it. Let's have a look and run you through it. So in here you get a microfiber cloth, you get a small bottle of Zephyr Pro 40 metal polish, really good metal polish, and you get this. So you get 3 different compound bars. This is a small version of the Tripoli, the green moss, and the white lightning, all here. So you've got your primary cut, your secondary cut, and your final finish. So then you get 2 buffing wheels here. You've got the cutting wheel, and then the final finishing wheel here, which is softer. So this wheel here you would use with the Tripoli first for the first cut, and then you would also use it with the green bar here for the second step in colouring. And then the white one, the white lightning, you would use with this softer finishing wheel here. And a good tip is to take the Pro 40 metal polish and smear that over the metal surface first, and then use this with that white lightning bar to take it off. Now the kit also comes with this, which you use here. You put it in like that, and then this screw here is left-handed, and then you can use that to mount it so that you can put it onto your drill. Now this is a really good kit if you've got a smaller area and you want to find a faster way to polish that to a high shine. If you're dealing with a larger area though, I would recommend using the American Shine kit with a larger sander grinder that's going to be a bigger 10-inch wheel, and you'll get the job done a lot quicker. But this is a really handy little kit for smaller little areas and gets a really good result. And that's that.